Sunday. Yay! Welcome back again to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. Thank you so much everyone for stopping by. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. You are welcome. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting, for always watching my video and sharing. Please, if you are new, please subscribe, hit that bell button so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Okay guys, as you can see, I have something special with me. Yes, I have something special with me. I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys to see. Yes, I want a giveaway, okay? I want a giveaway, and it has arrived. Then I want to unbox it with you guys to show you guys what's inside. And I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to DN Vlogs Live. Yes, she made a giveaway in her channel. Then I was the lucky winner of the giveaway. Okay guys, I'm gonna be unboxing it right now. Okay, I'm gonna unbox it right now. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Okay, let me open it. My first time of winning a giveaway, like something like this. My first time. Look at it. USA mail. Okay, thank you. Okay, I don't want just to rip it out anyhow. Are you guys ready to see what's inside? I'm trying to do this thing with care. Yeah, I want to give away, and in case you want to know what's inside. Ta-da! Let's put this on there. Yeah, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Do you want to see my giveaway? And guess what, guys? And this, okay. Oh, it's so nice. Yes, yes, yes. I can't wait to get. Ooh. Ooh. Guys, this is beautiful. Oh man, come on guys. And it's a waist trainer. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, it's a waist trainers from Xander's Fitness. Yes, Xander's Fitness. Okay, look at the logo there, guys. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Look at this baby, guys. Oh, this is beautiful. I love the. Look at. I love the feelings, like the texture of it. Ooh, look at my. Look at it, guys. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Xander's Fitness. Shout out to Xander's Fitness. If you don't have her, go and follow her on Instagram, okay? If you want to get this waist trainer, follow her on Instagram and go and get yours. Okay, let's try this baby, okay? Let's try. Thank you, DN's Vlog, for choosing me, for selecting me to win this thing. I'm gonna use it. You guys, you know I love jump rope, okay? And after I put it on, I'm gonna do my jump rope, okay? Let me put it on, okay? Okay, I have to zip. I have to. Are you guys looking? Oh, this is strong. Okay. Then I'll go to the next one. Are you guys watching it? Ooh. I'm so excited, guys. I look like a baby. I can't wait. Okay. Okay. Hold on. I must put you today. You. Okay. That one is done. Let's go to the last one. I'm putting the very first hook. Guys, this is, oh, I can't wait to get snatched, man. Okay. Okay. Now, it's time to zip it. Okay. Ooh, it's, wow, look at that, guys. Let me zip it, let me zip it. I'm going to show you. I'm not just going to edit this thing. This is raw and real. I think I need help to zip it. Okay. Okay, guys, I finally zip it. Look at it, guys, man. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. Like, this thing is amazing. Look at the way it just snatched my waist, my belly. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at, you see that half figure? Oh my word. Look at. Oh man, this is nice. I love the texture. I love that it doesn't have, oh my. Oh. Hey, let's work out, guys. Let's jump rope. You want to jump rope with me? Thank you so much, DM Vlogs Live, for this amazing gift. And also thank you to Zanda's Fitness, guys. Go and check her out. Follow her on Instagram if you want to get this waistband. Go, and I'll drop the link on my description box. Okay, go and get yours, guys. Trust me, I'm gonna do this, like, okay, after this video I'm gonna measure my waist. I'm gonna do this for 2 weeks. I'm gonna wear it for 2 weeks to see how this thing goes, man. I'm gonna be giving you guys results. Zandas. Oh, this is my very, guys, look at the waistband I was using before. Look at the old lady I was using before. I was thinking to buy another one there. Thank you so much, Zanda's Fitness. Thank you so much. This is beautiful. DM Vlog, thank you so much. A big shout out to you. Guys, if you don't have DM Vlogs Live, go and follow her. Subscribe to her YouTube channel. She has a Discovery Natural. She has a family vlog channel. And follow her on Instagram. Follow her all social media. Also follow Zanda's Fitness on Instagram, and Zanda's Family channel on YouTube too. Thank you so much. I really love this, man. Hey, I am so happy. Yeah. Okay, guys, let me do my workout for my fitness channel. Okay, guys, if you don't have my fitness channel, oh my goodness, please subscribe to Share Fitness TV on YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna leave the link also in my description box. Support me there, my friends and my family. I'm going to do my jump rope right now, and I will see you guys in my next video. Look at me, guys. Hey, I'm loving this. Oh my word, this is beautiful. Look at, guys, go and get this, okay? You need to have this. I don't say I don't get bumble, okay? There's no bumble, it doesn't matter. But we want this belly to snatch. Look at, guys. Don't you guys like this? Look at, this is beautiful. This thing is good, guys. Xander's Fitness. You guys, look at the name there. Follow her on Instagram if you want to get your one. I'm making a publicity for her. Publicita. Italian call it publicita. Go and get your bet. Go and get your bet from Xander's Fitness. Go and get your bet. Snatch that waist there. You want to get that figure 8. Look at, guys. Just take a look. Oh man, this is beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome. You're welcome. Please subscribe for more fun videos. Okay, let me do my jump rope. You guys know I love jump rope. I love jump rope. Let me do my jump rope. Go and watch the full video on my other channel, Chef Fitness TV. Okay, guys, that's it for this channel. If you want to watch the full video of my workout, subscribe to Share Fitness TV, okay? Okay, guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much, Xander's Fitness, and thank you also Sharewithlove Live. I'm so happy. I'm so excited, okay? Guys, if you want to get this, hit her up on Instagram, okay? Just follow her on Instagram at Xander's Fitness and Sharewithlove Live. Thank you so much for choosing me as the winner of this waistband. I really love it. I like it. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. See you in my next one. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. See you in my next video. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. See you in my next one. Okay, guys, 2021 is coming. You want to get that waist, you want to get that body, you better work out and go get this one. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye.